Hey YouTube, Engineer Boy 100. Alright guys, today I'm going to be doing a video on these jack pads by IFJF. I got these on Amazon, $39.86 out the door, delivered. Very nice. I did hear a complaint on the forums and on Facebook that some of the little mount blocks are not machine clean and they're not square and they're not parallel. But these, as you can see, are square, parallel, and very well machined. So we're going to go out to the car, we're going to install them, and I'll tell you what I think. I'm going to go ahead and develop a torque for these two, and I'm not going to recommend it, but I'm going to share what I use after I figure out what works best, and I'll let you guys know what it is. So let's go out to the car and put them on. Okay, we're in the shop, so I know a few of you are going to want to see these a little bit closer up and look at the actual quality, and they just look great. And I'll show you the block up close too. So look at the blocks. If you look at these blocks, they're nice and square where the screws go in. See, the screws are parallel. They go straight up and down, they're square. And we're going to go up underneath the car and see how much bite we have for fitting these in those openings where they go. I was curious about that myself. So we'll take a look at that. Then we'll just install them and have a peek at what they look like after it's all said and done. Okay guys, let's take a look at how these things line up. This is one of the mount ports here. So here's the thing. It's about how much meat you have. So wow, I guess you gotta line it up pretty accurately before you tighten it down. See, I guess it just goes in like this, and then it turns like that. And that's all you got. So you gotta really make sure you're centered before you tighten it down. It would have been nice, I mean, if it had been a little bit longer, I don't know, it probably wouldn't fit. But anyway, here you go. That's what it looks like. So we're going to install them and we'll look at them after they're done. Foot-pounds, I'm going to put a dab of gasket sealer in the threads so that the screws cannot loosen up and work their way out with vibration. It's just something I like to do with a lot of my threads. I just put a little dab like that so when I tighten it up, they will not come loose. Okay? And I don't want to use Loctite because I don't want it that tight in case I want to take it off. Especially on some small screws like this. I don't want them tight, and these little soft aluminum blocks will strip easily. So I'm just going to use gasket sealer, as I do on a lot of things, as a little bit of extra insurance in case my torque spec is not as accurate and appropriate as I think it is. So we're going to go like this. We're going to put it in. We're going to put it in like so. And turn it all the way till it's 90 degrees. And I'm going to kind of hang it so I can see that it's got a good bite on both sides. And then I'm just and now 85 inch-pounds. 85 inch-pounds. It's pretty good for these little guys. Here we go again. So it'll be a little bit snug, and then we're gonna go 85. Inch-pounds, and it's pretty snug, and we have our gasket sealer in there, so there you have it. We'll do the rest and call it good. Well, the jack pad adapters look great and work great. Thanks for watching.